Neha, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. I am really happy right now because just now I saw the trailers of some dramas I was waiting for so long, and now IGYI released their trailers. So that means they are going to be aired within 2-3 months gap, or maybe next month also, because most of the Chinese dramas release date we get to know in just 1 week, 2 weeks, or within month also. So I just saw their trailer. I was waiting for these dramas from so long. If you are following me on Instagram and on YouTube from a long time, you know my most favorite Chinese actress Changi, and right now his drama is going to be aired maybe within month, because trailer is already out. His look and the poster look like I was really happy after watching this, because I want to watch him on screen from a long time. I am rewatching his dramas. Like, I really rewatched his dramas. For example, Immortal Samsara, Loves and Redemption, I really love. And right now, I am going to tell you about all the dramas that is going to be aired on IGYI within 2-3 months gap. So you have to watch this video till then. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button, and if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button also. So let's start our video today with first Chinese drama, that is Fox Spirit Matchmaker Sword and Blood. I was waiting for this drama so long because we have Changi and Lee Tong in this drama, and if there is Changi, then be ready to cry, because he can break billions of hearts with his acting only. So be ready to cry. And also the storyline of this drama is also start with the word painful. We are going to see the painful love story of a powerful warrior named Wang Chuan Gufui, who is also known as ultimate military weapon, and he will falls in love with little spirit named Qingtong. So we are going to see how they will go through from the painful love that's akin to having one's heart pierced by thousands of arrows. So you can imagine, I am ready to cry in this drama because of the storyline, and also there is Changi. I am so happy. I want to watch this drama as soon as possible. Just air this drama, IGY. So our second Chinese drama name is Fox Spirit Matchmaker Red Moon Pact. This drama is also going to be amazing because of the cast. We have Yang Mi and Gong Jun in this drama, and the storyline is also good. We are going to see the love story of Tushan Hong Hong and Dong Fang Ye Chu. Okay, one day Tushan Hong Hong, a folk spirit from the righteous Tushan Fox clan, that is our Yang Mi, saves Dong Fang Ye Chu by chance, and he is like a human youth pursued by his lifelong enemy. As they spend time together in Tushan clan, they will build a bond gradually, and like ultimately they join forces with their loved ones to combat the forces of like evil in order to fulfill their shared desire for peace between their two clans. So we are going to see their love story, also how they will make peace in the world. So this drama is also going to be amazing. Our third Chinese drama is Fox Spirit Matchmaker Love in Pavilion. This drama is also going to be good because all three dramas names are similar. Maybe there are some parts of them I don't know the right thing, so I'm not going to give you some misinformation. Now let me tell you the storyline of this drama also. So we have Liu Shishi and Leung Zhang in this drama, and they are going to show the storyline of two families, that is Dongfang Huaiji and Wang Chuan Hongye. They both are the leaders of two major families, and in the time when humans and demons are in conflict, they work together to stabilize the situation in order to revive the Unity Alliance. On the 7th day of the 7th month at the Bamboo Pavilion by the High River, their fates intertwine like the sheaths of two swords, never to be separated. They pick up the most heartwarming promise and tell a story that is endured for generations. In this drama also, we are going to see the alliance of two families and the conflict between human and demon. So we will see in the drama everything. I am not going to miss any costume Chinese drama this year. Our next drama is A Moment But Forever. But I want to say one thing. It is very difficult to explain the storyline of costume historical Chinese dramas. Yeah, it's really difficult. But in this drama, we have Tiffany Tang and Li Shei. His dramas are also good. And we are going to see the storyline, like the love story of goddess Wu Shang. In like she is the treasure of heavenly realm, and one person like the high priest of Yu clan, that is Yuan Zhong. Okay, our goddess Wu Shang descends to earth to assassinate Yeonjang, but in the process of all these things, they will fall in love with each other and they will save the world together. But in the war between gods and demons, the artifact like the god's left hand, heavenly god Tae, used to seal the demon, is cut off and falls to the mortal realm. Now Tahiye and the other gods fall into an eternal slumber, and mortal realm hasn't had a miracle ever since. So we are going to see heavenly realm and mortal world. So this drama really gonna be good. Our next Chinese drama is a historical one, and its name is Follow Your Heart. We have Yunchi in this drama. Like the cast is Yunchi and Songi, and Yunchi is casting as a prince. So the storyline starts with our prince, that is Jiang Shinbai, who is investigating a case secretly, but he have face blindness also. So now he accidentally meets with unorthodox, that is Yan Nanqing, who is a female doctor who changes her appearance every month. So they were at odds when they met, and in order to keep their respective secret hidden, they experienced 3 marriages and 3 separations together. So we are going to see about their love story and about the case he is investigating. Like we are going to see everything, because he is not only the prince, he is also the head constable. So we are going to see this drama. Like from the trailer I saw, this drama is going to be full of comedy also. Like from the trailer there were so many scenes that was full of comedy. So this drama is also going to be good because we have Yunchi in this drama. So our next Chinese drama is Moonlight Mystic. This drama is going to be aired so soon. Like I saw so many edits, like trailers and so many things on IGI Instagram page. So this drama is going to be aired soon, and we have Bailu in this drama. I am fan of her also. Like her acting, her character is also amazing. And in this drama, we are going to see like Bailu and Rui Piang. So the storyline is about one girl, like the Bai Shui, who is the youngest daughter of the general's mansion, and she made a vow to cultivate to immortality as a repay to favor. And like on her journey to seek immortality, she unexpectedly saved the powerful demon god, that is Funnel. And gradually like they will fall in love with each other, but despite facing so many obstacles, their love was strong enough to overcome any limitation, allowing them to embrace each other truly. So we are going to see their love story. And there is Bailu, yaar. This drama really gonna be amazing. I am waiting for this drama also. In today's video, I told you so many historical Chinese dramas and the dramas I was waiting for going to be aired on IGE. But still there are so many dramas left that I am going to explain in the second part, because I already told so many dramas in a single video. I am tired now. So I will make second part for the rest of the dramas, because in which we have one drama of Chen Jihan also. So you have to wait for the second part, and I'm really happy. IG, please air these dramas. I want to watch them. Just and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button, and if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button also. We will meet in the next video with the second part. So follow me right now, and thank you so much for watching my video till now. Bye bye.